Hi my friend, this is Helen from Vision. Our brand is HDKATOV, and I'm very excited to tell you that our brand is participate in the biggest trade show GITEX in Dubai, and our booth number is H26D102. We are showcasing our latest ATEM companion control panel. You can see here, and this one is the big all-in-one control panel, and with the joystick control, and you can see this is RGB light. It's very convenient, and also we have the 30-time optical zoom PTZ cameras for broadcasting, and this is for video conferencing, support AI, and this model support NDI, very convenient for the network connection. And this is our switcher, video switcher all-in-one. And are you interested in our products? Welcome to visit our booth. Thank you.